It's Patrick at Pals. 1957 Thunderbird. This is one of the nicest cars we've ever had in the shop. And I'm here today with the owner, Al. Al, did you get this car as a present for Father's Day?
I sure did. That's how special my wife is. She surprised me with the 57 Thunderbird for Father's Day. But it's also my birthday, Christmas present, and every Father's Day for the next 25 years if I make it that long.
And this car is an original 57 with a 312. It's got the automatic transmission, two tops, white with the red interior, black soft top. This is a marvelous, marvelous car. Now, why did you bring it to Pals? What was wrong with it when it came in?
Well, I knew for the previous owner that I purchased it from, he told me he was having some carburetor issues with the accelerator pump. And it had the old teapot on it, which I didn't like to begin with. So I knew I was going to pull the carburetor off and get a new Holly for it, which I did, and put it on. But for whatever reason, I just could not get the hesitation out of it from a dead stop up to about 30 miles an hour or so. So I couldn't adjust the carburetor because it was all over the place that way. A friend in the T-Bird community had, I told him about what I was going through. He had mentioned Pals and said, this is where you want to bring your car and it's close to home. I live in Inverness, but I didn't leave it at that. I did my homework and looked at all your blogs, people's comments. I even came up the day before I had to drop it off for the appointment and literally did an interview with Jim, the best mechanic that I've ever met in my life, I think, Chuck, your manager, and we killed 45 minutes together. When I left here, as I was telling you, I had a smile on my face knowing I got it in the right location. My baby's going to be taken care of. And I just started it without even getting in the car. It's purring like a kitten. So I know my ride home is going to be joyous.
Oh, thank you so much for bringing us the car. This thing is just such an honor to work on. It's so good. Every bit and piece of this car is pristine. You can't find a better vehicle. And you know, everything in this business is about referrals and treating customers right. The customer that Al is referring to has the 65 Belvedere, the dual Hemi car that we worked on about a year and a half ago. And he lives in Jacksonville. And he recommended Al to our shop. Al, we really appreciate you bringing this in. Have a terrific day.
Thank you, Patrick.
See you soon.